Queensland's new seller disclosure, our experience since the August rollout. Today I'm reading you an article I was asked to write last week for the Australian Institute of Conveyance's Victoria Division End of Year magazine. Here it is. On the 1st of August 2025, Queensland entered a new era of property transparency with the official rollout of the Seller's Disclosure Form 2 under the Property Law Act 2023. For the first time, sellers across the state are required to provide a prescribed set of disclosures before a buyer signs the contract, covering everything from title matters and zoning to encumbrances and body corporate information. The intent behind this reform is simple: to give buyers a clear picture of what they're purchasing before they commit and to reduce post-contract surprises. It's a long overdue move that brings Queensland closer to the disclosure standards already adopted in other Australian jurisdictions. The Form 2 can be completed by the seller themselves, the real estate agent, an authorised third party, or a solicitor. In practice, most agents are not willing to take the risk or burden and are outsourcing the work, where theory meets reality. At Empire Legal, our team has prepared hundreds of Form 2 disclosures since the rollout. And whilst the framework is solid in theory, in practice it's been anything but smooth sailing. We've seen a concerning trend. Many providers are completing Form 2s incorrectly or omitting key sections altogether. These might seem like minor oversights, but legally these omissions give buyers an ongoing right to terminate the contract right up until settlement. In other words, one missing certificate or incorrect tick box could cost a seller the deal weeks down the track. The issue often stems from misunderstanding what must be attached for compliance and preferencing speed over accuracy, which puts the deal at risk. Turnaround time and search bottlenecks. Another challenge we've encountered is turnaround time. The biggest delay? Body corporate searches. These searches can take up to 5 business days to return and are a prescribed certificate that must be attached for compliance. How smart agents are adapting. The good news is that top-performing agents have already adapted. The best workflows we've seen are those that trigger the Form 2 process as soon as the Form 6 appointment of agent is signed. By obliging their clients to engage a law firm immediately, these agents ensure the disclosure pack is completed before the first buyer inspection. This proactive approach allows good agents to sign a buyer up when they appear instead of delays waiting for the Form 2 to be completed. Looking ahead, the Form 2 reform is here to stay, and whilst there's an adjustment period, it ultimately strengthens Queensland's property market by making transactions more transparent for buyers. At Empire Legal, we've built our systems to streamline the process: fixed fee pricing, clear turnaround times, and meticulous attention to compliance. We have over 2,700 5-star reviews on Google and would love to help all Queenslanders with their property conveyancing. Well, there you have it, guys. Bit of an insight, bit of a peek behind the curtain of the first couple of months of seller's disclosure in Queensland through Empire Legal's eyes. Any questions, get in touch, give us a like, give us a follow, or if you have a client that needs help, send them our way. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep in mind that all advice is general in nature and does not constitute legal advice. This is authorised by Sourris, Empire Legal, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.